Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for C++ development. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for MinGW in the Visual Studio Code website. Once you get to this page, scroll down a little bit, and then click on this direct link to the installer embed. After downloading the installer, run it to install msys2 on your PC. Once the installation is complete, the msys2 shell will open. In this shell, we'll install the required toolchain. Simply, copy the following command from the website and then paste it into msys2. Then, press enter 2 times and wait for the installation. After the installation is done, close msys2 and then search for environment variables. After that, open the first one and access the Advanced tab. Inside it, click on Environment Variables, select Path from the top, and then select Edit. Now you just need to enter a new path by pasting it from the website. Once done, open CMD, and then run the 3 commands mentioned on the website. Now, if there is no error, then msys2 was installed correctly, otherwise, you will have to do it all again. Next, open the Visual Studio Code Access extension, and then search for C++. Then, install the first extension, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can set up Visual Studio Code for C++ development. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.